Alright, what's up YouTube? So I was cruising in the Newport today and it ran a little hot. So I pulled over and I checked the top radiator hose, just seeing if anything was leaking. And I noticed the top hose was hard. And I crawled under it, the bottom hose was soft. So they told me that the thermostat was not opening. I go to take the thermostat out the car. The top radiator hose is located right beside the distributor. Dumb Chrysler shit. But I go to take the hose off, and the hose clamp gets stuck on the damn wires that plugs into the distributor, and it tugged them. And the car ain't ran ever since. This is what appears to have burnt up. Doing some research with some other Chrysler guys, they tend to do that leaky stuff when they overheat. But nobody has the part. So right now the Newport is down. I got a couple of videos of me working on it, trying to find the spark. But I was planning on doing a video of it, like me cruising around in it today. So looks like I'm gonna have to turn to the internet to find this ignition control module for it. Chrysler 400.
Yeah, 360. Oh, there it is. 6.6. Goddamn.
Yep, 6.6 liter.
No, we ain't got it.
6.6 liters of gas burning.
Every fucking stroke. Every stroke.
Let's see about it, people. Help me out. I knew it was gonna be some bullshit when it happened. I pulled this top radiator hose out, and when I did it, the fucking hose clamp caught on these two wires right here and pulled the shit out of them. They run into the distributor right here. Yeah. They run into the side of the distributor. With some black tape around or whatever the fuck. Oh, there you go. Look, I found it right here on fucking camera. The fucking wire came undid. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. No wonder why the bitch won't crank up. I had a fucking feeling that's what it was. Oh my god, I hate getting shit behind janky ass fucking mechanics.